Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save an Excel sheet as PDF without cutting off. So what we have right here is a PDF file, and I want to go ahead and click Control P, and once I do that, basically what's going to happen is you're going to be seeing something like this normally, no scaling, and then if you are going to see the other pages, you can see that it's broken down. So what you can do is first choose the size of the paper, so letter in my case for example, and then here, instead of no scaling, go ahead and click fit sheet on one page and it's gonna look like this. So yeah, you have the option as well to basically change the orientation to landscape if it is much more appropriate. But in my case, portrait would work just fine right here. So as you can see here, print to PDF, I can go ahead and click the print button right here, and then I can go ahead and save this one sample PDF file, hit the save button, and there you go. So yep, that is how it works, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.